So students, today we'll see the basics of audio editing using Audacity, right? So first of all, this will be a basic video for you can say editing procedure into Audacity software, right? That is to remove the background noises or to adjust some noise equalizer, right? In the you can say software. This Audacity website is there, right? So you can download it from this site and this portal will open. This software is look like this, Audacity, and various you can say options are there and the tools to adjust the you can say sound or to remove the background sound, right? So students, अभी यहाँ पे देखो, you can say the Audacity. First of all, you have to type Audacity right over here for Windows 10 or somewhat. Then you have to click like this over here. Then it will open like this. Then you have to go, if you are using a Mac PC, Apple Mac, or you are using a Linux system, or you are using a Windows system, then click over here and go to over here. Then you can say some options are there. See, the installer is there and the zip file is there. Whatever maybe you are interested in, you can download it like this. Okay, now I will stop the download because I've already downloaded. Then I will go over there and double click that file, right? I will open that file and I will do is yes, then okay, like this, then next. Okay, it is showing as already exists as I had already downloaded and installed it, right? So I will cancel it over here, and now see, it's done with the installation part. Then the portal will look like this. Okay, but when you open, you can say to import an audio file, right, over here, and what it is showing, some FM MPEG version not found like this. For this you have to go to edit preferences because it is not allowing to import an audio file because the libraries are not there. It is showing like this. So for that you have to use the FF MPEG import. So go to edit preferences libraries to download this file. So I will go over here. Okay, edit preferences. Okay, edit preferences, you can say libraries, and see over here you have to download this. So this file, this option will open over here. Now what you have to do is, for Windows, if you are using the Windows, you will do this, you will click on this, or if you are using Apple Mac, then you have to click this option, else if Linux, then you have to click this option. Okay, you can go over here, this installation section, right? So over here they are given the full details, right? So you can go over here, installing this, right? Then you can click this zip file. Okay, this download page, see over here this option is given. So now you have to download this. Go over here and I will do yes, then okay, English, then next. So see over here it is being installing. Now you can go over here, can do okay, and for that audio file, so we are taking an audio file, right? We will take an audio file in downloads, you can say audio file. Will take an mp3 file, right? So tropical house, see, it is being now opened over here, right? So you can say what you have to do is, now you have to do some selections if you want to remove the background sound, right? So over here like this, okay? So you have to pause this, and you have to first of all select this, okay? And you have to take the, you can say FX over here. You have to take the FX, you have to go to noise reduction, and first of all you have to go over get noise profile. That means it has been taken over here, right? Now you can do the noise reduction part, right? See over here, okay? Go over here, and you have to then normalize it, okay? See over here, it has been now taken and all is been selected, and you can do the noise reduction part again. Then you will see some difference over here, see, okay, seen, see, the part of a noise has been reduced by taking that get noise profile, okay? Over here you can use the echo effect also, right? You can use the repeat noise reduction part also, you can use normalize also, right? So all these options are there. Now over here you can see again it has been reduced, see how much the noise has been reduced, okay? But it is a music, right? So students, this is a small video regarding your you can say noise reduction part. If you want any other detail, you can say any other format, you can let me know in the comment section of this video. We'll definitely upload the video for the same on other certain criterias or your SOP related queries, right? Till then, thank you, have a good day.